Get started, Tristan. Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I want to show you what it's like in quarantine life with toddlers and how to use Tupperware with your toddlers at home. We're having breakfast for dinner today. Tristan loves cracking eggs and he's actually fairly good at it. I'm impressed. He got started while I was trying to set everything up. Crack it a little bit more. So we are making omelets today for everybody in our breakfast maker. Good job, buddy. All right, no. We'll do those in a minute. Here. Okay, actually, no. We're going to do them all. My other one's going to crack the egg on the floor if I don't grab him. This is what it's like to cook with toddlers at home. All right, let's crack these eggs. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bam. Ready? Hold on, we're not going to do the cheese yet. Ready? Bam. This is going into our all-in-one shaker. So I'm just going to put the strainer and shaker on. And Tristan, can you shake this up for Mama? Shake it, shake it. While he's shaking, I just want to let you guys know, I cooked some sausage in our micro-pro grill. It took me about 9 minutes, 10 minutes or so. And all I'm going to do is put it in our Power Chef really quick. That way we can chop that up to put right in our omelets. Watch out, buddy. Ready? All right, this is his favorite part. This is why he can't wait. Pull it. So my son's going to chop up the meat for our omelet today. It's a 3-tiered blade, but it's encased in the Power Chef. So as you can see, it's safe to let him help me and use. And he really loves helping in the kitchen, which motivates him to want to eat more. So we're just going to let him chop up the sausage a little bit more. Ready, buddy? We got to go fast in order for it to chop. Ready?
I want to do it.
All right, do it a couple more times. Ready? Go. We got to pull it all the way in. Ready? There we go. This is literally what it's like at home. Okay, guys, if you ever want to know, I can do this at home with 2 toddlers. So can you. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah. It looks good. Ready? The mama move the blade away. Okay? Look. So we got our meat chopped. What we're going to do, hold on. We're not ready for that yet. Hold on. Let's actually pour, this is our salt and pepper. It's just a little mixture of salt and pepper. I'm going to pour it inside of there. And then we're going to shake it up a little bit more. Ready? Shake it. Shake it really good. Like you're shaking your chocolate milk. We drink a lot of chocolate milk around here. Shake it up a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more as you go. Go, go, go. All right, ready? So we got one for Dad and one for the kids. Mom does not eat omelets. I will make myself a fried egg in a little while. So we're just going to pop this off. And I have the strainer in there just in case he didn't get some. So we're going to pour some in here. It has a 5-egg max in here. So one's about 2 eggs, one's about 3 eggs. Hey. All right. I'm going to toss it inside. The other one wants to get in here. You guys want to, come on. You want to help cook too? All right, hold on. Hold on. All right, put some cheese in each one. This one's for Daddy's. Oh, well, we're not going to put it in there. We're going to sprinkle some in here. So we're going to sprinkle some sausage and some cheese right inside the egg. Wow, okay. Good thing one's for them, right? And Dad likes chives. So we're going to put a little bit in there for Dad. Just a little bit of chives. You want a little bit of chives in yours? Put some in this one. Put some in there. Oh, that's enough chives. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop each of these in the microwave for about 3 minutes. And then it will be a delicious omelet when it pops out. It literally slides out. You guys see I didn't use, nope, close the oven. Close the oven. Watch out. You guys see I did not use any butter or anything to coat our breakfast maker. I literally just put the egg in there. And I will show you guys a video, but you're going to be super impressed as to how it slides right on out of the breakfast maker without leaving anything behind. Perfectly shaped and beautifully cooked every time. Go ahead and put that back in there, buddy. So, if you guys never met my kids before, this is Tristan, this is Roman. He's almost 2 next month. He's almost 4 and a half. So, that is what it is like to cook with toddlers at home. I hope you guys enjoy.